Hello, YouTube friends and fans. Today, I'm going to work on my man cave. Welcome to my garage. So, what you got here is my cabinets and all that. So, what we're going to do is, in case you've never seen it, I got a new TV to me. Got it on Facebook Marketplace. It was 50 bucks. Pretty good size. At least I like to think it's pretty good size. You know, compared to that toolbox that it's sitting on, it's a little wider than it. I'm going to show you where we're going to put it. I want to put it up here on this wall. So I work in a garage. I want to watch the game and still get things accomplished and be lazy, sort of. I can do so. Alright, so let's turn this TV around. Get the mounting bracket out of the box and let's see how well it goes together. KZ Creations thanks you for watching. Please press the red subscribe button for more featured videos in the future. Now on with the show. Alright, screw gun, TV mounting system. I got this one from our local hardware store of Menards. It's cheaper there. Let's set this bad boy up. Four screws holding the mounting plate on. Now we got the base unattached. There's four screws here, and we should be able to use the screws we took out to go in there. Let's just verify they fit. I believe they do. They sure do. That's why you don't want to throw things away. Sure, this is going to be a little bit of a mess. I bet it's all in pieces. That looks like that's pretty accurate on how big of a mess it is. So that guy there is the center. That's the wall piece. I don't know what that's for. Got some lag screws that attach it to the wall. We'll have to go find the stud here in a few minutes. And so pretty straightforward other than that. Been nice to open it up and it just poof, there it is, but that's never the case in life anymore. Alright, so we got the bigger end is in the middle. We gotta find the screws that go to it. Assuming they're in this bag here. Alrighty, we looked the instructions over and this bag is the one I need. But if you look at the rest of the set, it doesn't have any nuts to go with that entire package, so this package has got to be the one to make it all happen. And it says for me to put a washer through the back side, put the arm through, put the nut on, tighten it down, and repeat. So we are pretty much there. Gonna have to find a stud for the back of this, but this guy goes up and in like so. I'm gonna put a pin through it. Before we go too much further, I do got to get power to that wall, or I'll have to run an extension cord. So that'll get done, and we'll get over the wall and hang it. Alrighty, so I didn't like the depth of these screws. Hold two of them here together for you. Now I've got one that's going to actually get to where it's going, and I won't have to worry about it backing itself off just a little and falling off the wall. So we're going to change them out. Cost me almost $4 for the right equipment. That's what you get when you buy cheap stuff. Not necessarily saying that the more expensive kit would have had it either. Alright, that's done. Let's head to the wall and put the studs in. Alrighty, to the wall we go. Probably should measure it, see, so I don't get too close to the ceiling. It measures 16 inches to the center of it. I'm thinking really right about there is where I would want it. Maybe just below it, which that tells me I know I'm at 24. That's 28 inches to there. So let's go with something right under here. I don't know if that's in a stud or not. Knowing what I know of the house, this is one room, here's the other room. There's a load-bearing wall that runs right down through here, so there's a good chance that these studs are truly where they're at. But this will be good, I think. And it'll fold over here. But I'll measure to make sure that that makes me happy. $21 to the center. I think I had it pretty much level, and I did. Your eyes are pretty good if you do this normally. Time to drill 2 holes, put 3 screws in, and giddy up. Woo. On the edge of the stud there, that's not good. hopefully you can see up in here. There's a slot up here for a nut. Drop it in place, allows it all to lock. Basically, we're there. Got to run some lines and power. All right, let's see how well we did. Hey, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next video. Hope you subscribe, like, and comment. See you around.